Welcome back to cleaning the toilet. Okay, as you can see now I'm over by the toilet side. I have on my gloves. What I'm going to do before I do the toilet, I'm going to leave that for last, okay? Because if you notice, I'm going to use the same gloves. So I'm going to do the face basin first. While I'm doing the face basin, I'm going to pour a little of this in the toilet. And then we're going to spray it. Spray it all over. And we leave it like that, okay? And while we're here, we put a little of this in the basin, in our basin, and we clean it. I put my soap in there, so what I do, I wash it, clean it out. And we put our soap in there, put this away. This is our soap bottle. We're going to wipe it off. Instead, we cut any little piece of rag or anything. We wipe off the towel. Wipe around it. No, I don't do this all the time. At least even once a month. You clean the towel, okay? You wipe them off. It's a part of the bathroom. Oops, I'm sorry. Wipe around your switch. There's another one. See? So make sure we wipe around it. Make sure we wash our basin under the pipe, the part that you turn on, put a little water, clean it on there. This, as I said, we're not going to spend a lot of time doing this. It's nothing much to do. It's easy. Normally, I come in the bathroom, especially in the mornings. I make sure the brush is there. So I come in the bathroom in the mornings and I just wash it out. Yeah? I have everything close by. So that is it. Okay. Okay, so we do this part, the basin. Now we're going to focus on the toilet. Okay? We're going to focus on the toilet now. So this way, when we do the toilet, then we throw away the gloves. We don't have to, be using the gloves. If we want gloves, we use a different gloves. Okay. We're not going to use the same rag, though. We're going to use a different rag. So we put this rag up to use here. Okay, so we're going to find a different rag for the toilet. Right. So we're going to spray a little spray on this. Ask me how I love this kind of spray. And we clean around. Yeah. Clean our toilet, especially when you have mail. You have to make sure around the edges and all these places clean properly. You see, you want your bathroom to smell fresh. Yeah. You want want your bathroom to smell fresh. So this, well, that's what it does. This is what I like. I like with the deodorize it, make it smell nice and clean. Yeah. Spray some of this. And you want to clean this off. Yeah. I have this gloves just in case this one bursts. I have it. It's yellow. It's a pair. I had a pair of yellow gloves. But what happened? The other one, one hand, it's tear. Yeah. Right there, right down here. So I have to throw it away. So what I did, I have the right hand, the left hand, sorry. The right hand was the one that, you know, was broken. So I have the left. What I did, I want to make it to be right. So I don't throw it away. I just turn it on the wrong side. And then I'll have this in case anything. Use this, and I use my one gloves and I clean up. Well, I just throw it away. Most times when I have gloves and like one hand, whichever one, I turn them on the wrong side. Yeah? Because I turned this on the wrong side and look at it. Ready to use. Okay. We're gonna open our bowl and we're gonna get our brush. And we're gonna clean. Yeah, some brush have the part that you could go under here. Well, unfortunately, this doesn't have it. So I'm gonna show you what I do to get that workout. Whatever is under here, I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay. This is where my brush keep. So I wipe it off. This. So this will clean and nice too. Yeah. Put some spray in there. Throw it in here. That is clean. Okay, we put that down. Wipe around again. Make sure all these little parts here are clean. Yeah. Don't want any mark of anything there around here. Okay. Look at this. It's a small piece of cloth. I'm going to throw it away. And I'm going to throw the gloves away. And that is our bin. And then we have, this is the t-shirt. Okay, I come over here. And then I'm going to do the mirror with it. Clean our mirror. You can use paper towel if you chooses. Whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever you want to use. What I'm using don't mean that it's the right thing. It's mean that this is what I like to use. Then we get this and we shine off. Shine off our pipe. Yeah. So you notice everything I use. This is a cloth that we use to shine off. Everything I use this. I do it before the toilet. So when we finish with the toilet, we just put this to wash. Okay. Then we shine off these little places here. And then we shine off our wall, or tile, I mean the tile. Yeah. And then we're gonna go down to her toilet. And this is a seat. Yeah. Pull the seat up. Shine it, see? Nice. And then we lift the lid up. And then we shine around here. See, nice toilet. Then we have, this is our bin. When I'm through, then I'm gonna get a bag. So this is the bag in it. Oh, there's some things that fell out of the bag. Okay, and then we put a little spray on, and we can wipe this off. It's our bin, but it's a part of the bathroom. Some inside here. If it was messy, then I would wash it out, but there's no need to wash it. It's not messy. And then I put it here. When I'm finished, I'll get a bag to put in there. We shine off here. We clean off the switch. What I do now, okay, remember this. This is soap. Okay, I'm gonna spray some of this inside here. That's what I do. So what he does, the reason for doing that, spray this in the tank. When it flushes, then he deodorizes under here. So even when I think even when you use the brush, sometimes there's still things that stuck under there. So the bleach cuts it out. It deodorizes it. So. See all those water coming down? Good. And you can do this. Fresh. And then you have your fresh, clean toilet. See? And then I put back the mats. I put this over. It needs washing. Then you put your mats here. Mats here. And then my bleach bottle right here. And then I get some soap. I'm going to wash my hands now. Then I dry my hands. I put this away. It stays under here. As you can see, I wash my bath / shower and my toilet. If you like, thumbs up please, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. And Have a great time wherever you are.